Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 11th, 2021. You guys can see it. Yeah, AMC crashed. AMC stock price continues to go down. I'm not surprised. I told you all back on November the 30th to be prepared for the market to go down in AMC. Hey, here we are today, right? This is what I do. I make sure that we are in position to capitalize from these price movements while everyone else is still out there grabbing those hopium, those straws, those wishes of seeing a MOAS, seeing a short squeeze to occur in the market in AMC. And you guys can tell that price continues to go down. Let's pay attention. The price chart is the solution to these answers and questions that so many people are wishing and hoping. If it's not one thing, if it's not payment for order flow, if it's not dark pools, if it's not trying to come up with some NFT, some other type of maneuver to where we could get a short squeeze, what's going to be next, right? We pay attention to the price. Everyone needs to eradicate all of this other noise, all of this other news and catalysts and opinions of so many other people, and just look at the price. The price literally tells you what the market thinks. Everyone else, all of the other noise cannot do that. Price is the ultimate deciding factor as to, okay, cool, what is the majority of the people thinking, right? Yeah, in one side of the spectrum, people can tell me that they're looking for a MOAS. People can tell you that they're looking for a short squeeze. But when price doesn't give you that, then you ask yourself the question, are you really expecting a MOAS? The ones who has been trying to persuade you to look for a short squeeze. Let's talk about it. Because this is what I do. I don't care about anyone else's opinion and persuasions, because price, I've learned, is the deciding factor. It cannot lie to you. Price is not lying to us. Even though it may be manipulated, that gives us even a better chance to see where price is going to go. Check this out. Before I get started, welcome to the channel. If you guys are not one of our day ones, hey, welcome aboard, because this is what I do. I don't come in trying to give you a lot of hope. No, if the price is weak, I'm going to tell you that the price is weak. I'm going to look for the market to go down. If the prices look like it's going to go up, I'll play that side too. I don't care, because I understand that we can make money either way price go, up or down. So if you guys want to join the rest of the team, hey, lock it in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, first, before I give you all this major update and see whether or not AMC is still going to go down, let me talk about what happened to the price last time, right? I did a video right here, November the 30th, right? I was telling you all then, hey, be ready for price to go down in AMC. And people still don't get it. They still think that the market in AMC is going to go up, even when you can visually tell from the price chart, price is clearly going down. I don't understand what made people hope and wish. And you guys can tell that price in AMC is in a down. Price is decreasing. Okay. It is what it is. You can't do anything about it, because if you could, price ultimately would be a lot higher today than where it is now. So let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Prices in a downtrend. Prices decreasing in AMC. Cool. Now, we expected the market in AMC though, right? We expected it to try to hold support right there around 32. That's literally what I was telling you then on that particular day. I said, look, the best outlook that we can see is for the buyers to uphold price in AMC at $32.50. That was the best thing that we could have seen. Did it happen? No, it didn't. So what do you expect? Market could not hold that horizontal line down here at $32.50 or $32. It couldn't do it, right? Because it did right here on December the 8th, but we came right back down on the next trading day. That tells me that the market doesn't have enough momentum to see buyers. We got rejected. So going forward, this horizontal line is where the sellers are at. Okay, they're there. So let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. 19%. Cool. Done. Let's go ahead and move on to the next spot to see what we have now. Okay. So now $32 is restriction. Okay. Now what I do, I don't have confusion on my price charts. And many people think you need to have, you know, stochastics and MACDs and RSIs and look on this and look at that and look at the formation of the moon right now. Is this whatever? I look at what the people are trying to do with the money. What's the consensus of the money, right? What are people trying to do? So I don't need to have this horizontal line all the way up here around $52 because price is not trading there. Let's get rid of it. Or maybe we can utilize this as where the market in AMC is in a downtrend, right? We could use that. as the overall trend in its space for this stock. We could create that line now to show for this downtrend that we are noticing into the market in AMC. All right, so check this out. We won't become bullish now to the market in AMC until we first see price break 32. That's the first hurdle. And then secondly, we need to see the price break this trend before we even think about having a short squeeze. I don't care what anyone say. Those two things need to happen first. Okay. Price needs to break above $32, and then we need to see the market break that descending line on my chart. Simple, right? We could go to sleep now. We don't have to pay attention to the market on a day-to-day basis. As long as those two things does not happen, we know that we're not having a short squeeze. We know that price is not going to go up. We know that we need to be prepared for continued weakness. Yeah, we do. So we already failed on one of those two instances right here on December the 8th and the 9th. Price in AMC could not break above 32. It couldn't do it. So this tells me right now, even today, that the market is generally weaker than it is giving us strength. Cool. We appreciate that. Now let's see how we ended the market in AMC on a weekly perspective. All right, let's see what we got. So this is AMC on a weekly perspective, right? And this shows you even better that from a weekly perspective, the market in AMC is still generally weak. Okay, it is. Now, it doesn't mean that on a day-to-day basis, we won't have some up days. Yeah, we're going to see price in AMC come up. But for us to see the market reject here last week, and we couldn't crack up above $32, lets me know that we're still seeing some weakness here. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to prepare ourselves for the next area to where the buyers are at, right? And looking at this here, we can see price in AMC, which we've already done. The market has already shown us that it's willing to prop up price here. We've already done it 2 weeks. Okay. You see this? We've already created where the market buyers are at, just like we did here back in May of 2016, right? We are now testing that area again. This is where the buyers are now here. Now, it doesn't mean that we're ready to shoot up like a rocket. No, it doesn't mean that. It just simply means like it's a placeholder. This is where the market is ultimately resting right now. Okay. Now, I'm going to continue to play that because I can still see the market buyers trying to control the market in AMC around $26. Yeah, I can see that too. So let's look at this on the 2 weeks time frame. Okay. I'm sorry, 5 day. So this is the 5-day time frame here in the market in AMC. And for us to still see the inability for the market to break 32 and for us to see the price close down lower towards this 5-day price bar, lets us know that generally, yeah, there's some weakness still here. Now, I'm going to play the weakness into the market in AMC until we see price break 32 first to the upside and then ultimately that descending line. Okay. Now, from a monthly perspective, the next level that we can see price in AMC come towards would be 24. So I'm looking at 26 first and then $24 next for us to see the buyers appear again into the market in AMC. Okay, so let's see what we got from a day perspective. I'm gonna let you all go. Now, we're going to play the weakness until we see price ultimately break above $32. Now, once that happens, then I already know that this prediction is going to be wrong. We need to play the buy side of the market. The buyers has now entered this space and we need to ride alongside with them to higher prices. If that day never comes, guess what? We already know we're going to continue to go down in price. Okay. And even once that happens, even if we do see that happen, we got the next hurdle, which is that descending trend in the market in AMC. Okay. Now, you guys can see this horizontal line right here. This is going to be our first area to grab some bag. Okay, that's about 5%, right? Right there around 26. I understand. Yeah, the buyers are there right now. So on the next leg down in the market in AMC, 26 will be the first spot. All right, 26. Let me look at this on the hourly. Yeah, because actually right here on the hourly time frame, the buyers are still in control. So starting out Monday, yeah, I could see the price try to elevate. I could see the price in AMC trying to go up. So initially, this price prediction is going to go against me. I understand. I'm not playing this on an hourly basis though. I'm playing this from a 3-day, 5-day, weekly time frame for the weakness to continue in the market in AMC. So yeah, can price go up from out the gate? I'm actually expecting it. So yeah, we can see that. But from a weekly perspective, this is where I am creating this price prediction. So we got 26 first, right? Second area was 24. Okay, that's about 13% movement to the downside in AMC right here. Okay, so let's run it. We're going to continue to play some slight weakness here in this space for AMC. I know, I get it. You guys don't want to see price go down, but it is what it is. So this is my expectations. I want to know what you all think. I mean, we really broke a very important area to the downside in AMC, and we still got rejected there. That's not a good thing. We really needed to see the buyers step in around 32, and they couldn't successfully do it. And this rejection on December the 8th and the 9th lets you know that they still wasn't successful at bringing price above 32. So I'm still playing the weakness. I got $26 first. Second area is 24. And anything lower than that, it's going to be around 22.50. Now, I'm not going to put that on the chart just yet, but because I am suspecting that we've been in a downtrend long enough, I would be expecting the buyers to try to prop up the price, right? At some point, they need to come back into the market and try to fool us into thinking that the down move is over, but they're not going to get us on this channel. All right, so let me know. What do y'all think about AMC? Where do you think the market price is going to go? I'm doing this price prediction from a weekly basis, right? I'm not looking at this on a day-to-day basis. This is what I'm expecting to occur into the market in AMC from a weekly time frame. So drop me your price prediction now. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.